the previous test, the test takers would read an article, 750, 800 words, and then answer questions about it. And the time was limited, so it was quite a challenging task. Now they're going to read an article that's maybe 200 words and answer similar questions about it. So it's quite a shift there. And similarly, on the old test, you would listen to a 5-minute lecture on an academic topic. Now you're going to listen to maybe a 90-second lecture on an academic topic. In terms of speaking and writing, the biggest change is a move away from what were referred to as integrated speaking and writing tasks. So on the old test, you would read and listen to something on the same topic, and then you would write a short essay using what you had gained or what you had learned in the reading and listening. Same for the speaking. You would listen to a short lecture, read a short paragraph on the same topic, and then speak about what you had read and listened to. That's been removed from the new test, which is quite a significant change because that was always kind of considered one of the main features of the TOEFL. And if you had asked ETS 5 years ago, they would have said, oh, this is one of the great strengths of the TOEFL.